follow. Imagine a world where computer programs make decisions, learn from mistakes, and could save lives. Sounds futuristic. That future is now, and it's powered by AI agents. Let me take you back to last week. I was driving in heavy rain when my GPS rerouted me around an accident, saving me 30 minutes. It wasn't magic. It was an AI agent, quietly working behind the scenes. But here's the thing. These AI agents are NT, just in our phones or cars. They're reshaping everything from fighting wildfires to revolutionizing medicine, even beating world champions at chess. But what exactly are AI agents? And how do they work? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what an AI agent is, you'll spot them everywhere, and maybe even build your own. But first, let's bust a myth. An AI agent is not just a robot or a voice assistant. Think of an agent as a virtual thinker and doer. It perceives its environment, decides what to do, and acts with a goal in mind. Like a self-driving car, seeing the road, making choices, and steering. Or a chatbot, listening to your question, choosing the best answer, and replying. Here's the big why. AI agents are already shaping your daily life. They pick what you see online, suggest your next binge watch, even help doctors diagnose diseases faster. And as they get smarter, they'll open up jobs, create new art, and raise big ethical questions. The real question is, will you be a passive user or an empowered creator? But not all AI agents are created equal. Some are simple, like a Roomba vacuum. Others, like AlphaGo, are mind-blowingly complex. What makes an agent intelligent? What different types are there? You're about to find out. Let S break it down. Reactive agents. They only react to what's in front of them. Think old-school chess programs. Model-based agents. They build a mental map of the world. Like a self-driving car remembering where it's been. Goal-based agents. They plan ahead, aiming for the best outcome. Like a trading bot, maximizing profit. Learning agents. These are the cool kids. They learn from mistakes, getting better over time, like Netflix recommending shows after you binge a series. And here's the wild part. AI agents are becoming our partners. They're not here to replace us. They're here to empower us. Imagine what you could achieve with an AI agent on your team. Want to build your own? Start simple. Make a chatbot or a game character that can think. Tons of free tools are out there. Chat the links below. I've got guides for every level. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Next up, we'll dive into building your first real AI agent, step by step. I'll show you how to make something that actually learns from experience. If you got value from this, smash that like button. Subscribe for more AI breakthroughs. And comment, what kind of AI agent do you want to build or see in action? Let's explore the future together, one agent at a time. See you in the next video.